Hi guys, and welcome to Al Crash Repair Center channel. We got a Lexus 2016 pearl white 3-stage paint. As you can see, the rear door is quite heavy damage, and the front one is just like small dent, and it's been rusted as well because the damage has been long time, and the guy he did not repair it yet. Well, basically, because that's pushed in a lot, so it's get it affected here as well. We have to go to the quarter panel for blending, and then we're gonna show you how we're going to repair that dent. Of course, we have to go back to metal and then start pulling it, and then we take it from there. You can see now we have to take the rust completely off, otherwise if we leave the rust there and then we put filler on the top, it will create bubbles under the filler, and the filler is just like, and the paint is like you'll have bubbles on it in the future around about 2 or 3 months. So we have to take the rust completely off. As you can see, it was a bit rusty. So of course we have to go back to metal, so when we apply the filler, we apply it on the metal, not on the paint. go, the job has been completed. As you've seen from the beginning of the video, that door was badly damaged. All the panel was pushed in. Of course, it's we gone back to metal, and then we pulled it, and then we put the minimum amount of filler. Front door same as well, we had a small dent on it. It was a bit rusty as well. So the cars has been finished. That's how it looks now. Absolutely fantastic and very good result. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.